1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, of course I'm Zachy42 if you do not know me, and today we'll be doing something we've never done before, but we've kind of done before. So I mean, we've done it before, but we haven't done it before. Okay, so we haven't done this before. So we have a computer screen. Yes, it's not a full computer. We took it out of the actual computer part, and we are basically going to take this hammer and smash it. All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, well first we got to talk a little bit, because who does not want to hear me talk? No, I think there's nobody that actually does not want to hear me talk. Okay, there's nobody that wants to hear me talk. Alright guys, so let's get down to the business and smash this. So we have our little, come on, you want to turn down a little bit? Okay, so as you guys might know, Jolo's here, and we always have a lot of fun and mess around. So apparently, I was just told that we have to do a switcheroo. I don't know what that entails, so we're going to find out right now what a switcheroo is. Okay, let's find out. They're like screaming. I don't know what they're doing. Okay, this is apparently a switcheroo. What's a switcheroo?
Well, I don't know. You just made it up, so.
Oh, he just made it up. Okay, let's see a switcheroo.
Switcheroo.
That was just a basketball shot. How was that a switcheroo? Okay, whatever.
It's called
Okay, so now that he got his switcheroo thing down, I don't know what that is, but now we know. He
made it up. It's okay.
I made it up.
I didn't.
Okay, let's get down to business. So, okay, let's get down to the business.
So let's go.
Meaning that we go this way. So let's go this way. All right, so let's do this. So I'm gonna basically just smash it, and then we can attempt to do a slow motion. Guys, I've been waiting for this a long time. Cameras rolling.
Yup.
We're all good. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Didn't do much.
Okay, so as we look, that was a little crack in the screen. Can we see it up close? So that's pretty cool. Oh, we're filming. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Can you see it in that light? Why don't you go back a little bit? So what we're going to do is we're going to do it one more time normally, and we'll go around a little bit. That actually seems pretty solid.
But this time, I think I'm going to hit it.
Okay, apparently he's going to hit it now, so I guess let's see him hit it.
My turn to smash it.
Oh, okay, well, that was better, but that still is pretty solid.
Should I try it one more time?
Okay, why don't you do it one more time? We'll have Mellow Blue try it soon. Wow, he really hates that computer.
What? Oh, man. Okay, so this time...
I'm sorry you guys can't see much. You can just try.
There is a huge hole in it.
All right, so as we can see, the hammer put a little bit of a crack in the screen. So, I'm sorry, guys. All right, so up here we have a hole of what we made. I'm sorry, I'm laughing. We're just making jokes and stuff. So let's do it another time. This time will be in like a slow motion. What if we hit it a long way? Oh, that actually made a hole.
So this one, that went in. Rapid fire, let's go.
Oh, well that's kind of a rapid fire. Okay, that's it.
Guys, we're about to go through this.
But we already did.
Well, the whole thing. So, let's do this.
Okay, now we know what happens when we smash a hammer on a computer. All right.
So, we smashed the computer. Not the best, but okay.
Okay, so the reaction that I was hoping for actually wasn't what I thought it was. And we also will replay the slow motion footage for a while in the end of this video. And then not now, but during the video going in the end, there'll be like the video up here. We actually did this video with a GoPro and a giant rat trap. It'll be fun. So why don't you do this? Just because maybe there's going to be a video that's like, click on the video.
And our goal? We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers.
So we have a big surprise if we get to our goal of 1,000 subscribers. And tell them what we can't tell you guys yet what it would be. But remember, first we got to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm sorry it's really dark, but if we turn this way, it'll be even worse. But so let's go this way because, yeah, okay.
And we also need 100 1,000 views.
I know
on
that sounds
each video.
not on each, but on one. Okay, so that sounds like a lot. So let's get to our goal, guys. Make sure you rewatch this video or share this video with your friends to get our goal. We got this, guys. Let's be done talking so you guys don't leave the video. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Let's play the videos over, guys, or the slow motion. See you guys. Bye. That's a lot of hands, but there's
Click
no.
on the videos after.
That's still a lot of hands.